So sabi ko, having faith in them, sabi ko, sige, tuloy natin, ganun. But then as days went by, lumala lang ng lumala yung situation, mentor, until on the seventh day, I'm not sure if it's the seventh or eighth day ba. Basta June, yeah, sorry, the seventh day, mentor, naalala ko na, wala na talaga, mentor. We eventually accepted the fact na talagang wala na. So inubos na lang po yung mga kung ano mang i-consume sa kanya na gamot. Kasi wala na rin pong sense na magdagdag eh. And you
Mm.
know what's also painful, even more painful I would say, is yung hindi na nga nabuhay yung tao. And it left you with a very expensive hospital bill.
Mm.
So yun po yung masakit na thankfully after actually July would be my last payment po doon eh. So binayaran ko siya ng almost isang taon yung natira, yung remaining na hindi na settle.